Hey, hey, you have you seen my cards? No? How is that possible? You were the last one who came to my office yesterday. Where did you put them? Oh man, I need them. I need them now. Where are you? Oh, can you come back right now? I need them. No? Man, Dr. Bean is in trouble then. How would I assist the new nurses who need to be successful? They bank on us. We got their back, and today we haven't. I need them now, dude. You got to come over now. I've seen everywhere. Everywhere. I don't see them anywhere. Did you take them to ward with you? Are you playing them over there with the nurses? You know what? If you're messing with me, I'm gonna give your number to those spammers who are gonna call you all the time and ask you to send them iTunes cards. Oh, so you think they're here? Okay. Where do you think they are? Oh, near Harrison's? Okay, let me see. I see them. Okay, perfect. All right. Thank you, dude. All set. Go have fun. I know you're not playing. Or if you're playing with your own cards or with some other nurse's cards. I have my cards. Okay, bye. Got the cards. We're going to start working on them. That is the next thing. I don't even know how to play cards. But hey, we're going to work on them together. All of us. Yes, yes, yes. Cards. We got your back at Dr. Bean.